Today I am going to teach you how to make a very simple landscape scenery. First, I would just roughly paint a base like some mountains, and then I will draw a circle because we are going to make a sun. It would be like you can say sunset, like just before the sunset. So our sun is bit orangish. I'm going to loosely paint this scenery because we are not going to go in a detail and we have to finish our painting within 3 or 4 minutes, and I made it really simple for the beginners. Now I am going to draw some trees. First, just take a black color and draw one line upwards and roughly draw some leaves. This painting is more like an impressionistic painting. As you know that impressionism is something which gives you the view or the image of the thing in your mind, as if you remember when you watch something, you remember something in your mind. Like for example, if you are on a mountain or you are in a garden and you watch something, and if someone asks you, what have you seen there, how was it like, so you would say that, oh, there was a really big sun and there were some trees and there were some mountains. Or if you were in a garden, you would say there were some flowers and some trees, some maybe red flowers, but you wouldn't know the details of those flowers because it's just an impression in your mind. That is the impressionism. And we are making this painting as an impressionistic painting, and it's really simple and beautiful. So we have painted some trees, and they are not in equal size because when you make different sizes of trees, it would give the depth in a painting. Now we are at simple shade of green color. It's a sap green acrylic colors. All of them are acrylic colors, and we will just add a water in it, and now our painting is done. Try at home and let me know how was it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.